Let's dive into the world of HLOOKUP in Excel. Think of it as the horizontal sibling of the VLOOKUP function. With HLOOKUP, you can easily search for values in rows instead of columns, making it a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing your data. In this tutorial, we'll explore the fundamentals of HLOOKUP, its syntax, and how to use it effectively in your spreadsheets. HLOOKUP searches for a value in the top row of a table, and then returns a value from a specified row below. The key difference between VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP is the search direction. VLOOKUP searches columns vertically, moving downwards, whereas HLOOKUP searches rows horizontally, moving from left to right. The syntax for the HLOOKUP function is as follows: equals HLOOKUP, open parenthesis, lookup value, comma, table array, comma, row index number, comma, and range lookup, close parenthesis. The lookup value is the value you want to search for in the first row of the table. The table array is the range of cells containing the data where you want to perform the search. The row index number is the row number from which to return a corresponding value. And finally, range lookup is a logical value. If true, HLOOKUP finds the closest match. If false, HLOOKUP looks for an exact match. To effectively use HLOOKUP, your data needs to be organized in a specific way. The value you want to search for should be located in the top row of your data table. Additional rows below the top row contain the corresponding data that HLOOKUP can return. For example, you might have product names in the top row, and their corresponding prices and quantities in the rows below. HLOOKUP will search horizontally across the top row for the product name, and then retrieve the data from the specified row. Let's walk through a basic example to illustrate how HLOOKUP works. Suppose you want to find the price of product B from a table where product names are listed in the top row and prices are in the second row. The formula would be equals HLOOKUP, open parenthesis, quotation mark, product B, quotation mark, comma, A1:D3, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. In this formula, we're instructing Excel to look for product B in the range A1 to D3 and return the value from the second row, ensuring an exact match. Here's a step-by-step guide to using HLOOKUP. First, select the cell where you want the result to appear. Then type equals HLOOKUP, open parenthesis, to start the formula. Next, enter the lookup value you are searching for, followed by the table range containing your data. After that, specify the row number to return a value from. This row contains the information you want to retrieve. In our example, the formula will be equals HLOOKUP, open parenthesis, quotation mark, product B, quotation mark, comma, A1:D3, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. When working with HLOOKUP, you might encounter a few common errors. The number sign n/a error appears when the lookup value is not found in the first row. The number sign ref exclamation mark error occurs when the row index number exceeds the table range. The number sign value exclamation mark error shows up when the row index number is less than 1. To avoid these errors, always use absolute references for the table array, double-check the row index numbers, use false for exact matches, and verify that the lookup value exists in the first row. Let's recap the key points about HLOOKUP. It searches horizontally in rows, making it perfect for data layouts organized horizontally. Always use false for exact matches, and remember that HLOOKUP is an essential Excel lookup function. Use HLOOKUP when your data is organized in rows instead of columns, when your headers are in the top row, and when you need to look up values horizontally. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.